Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by measuring and mixing alginate. This is the foundation. Use the exact alginate to water ratio the kit specifies because consistency controls setting time and detail. Mix briskly to a lump-free, creamy paste. Once done, scrape the sides and work quickly. While you mix, prepare the sitter. Explain the 2 4-minute window and apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly to hair or sensitive skin so removal is smooth. Make sure the bowl is stable and you have a timer set. Once the alginate is mixed, you press the hand into the paste and hold still. This captures fine detail. Keep the hand relaxed, fingers slightly apart, and insert slowly to avoid trapped air. The alginate firms quickly, typically 90 to 120 seconds, so count aloud and watch texture changes. When it feels elastic and no longer glossy, gently wiggle fingers to ensure release readiness. Make sure to support the base, then lift straight out. You now have a negative mold ready for plaster. You pour mixed casting plaster into the alginate mold slowly. Pour down a spatula edge so bubbles are minimized. Tap the container gently and vibrate the base to bring trapped air to the surface. Allow the plaster to cure fully. Follow package time because premature demolding ruins detail. Once set, peel away alginate and clean seams with a soft rasp or sandpaper. If you see small voids, mix a thin plaster slurry and brush into gaps before final cure. This saves the cast from visible defects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.